Hello, everybody. My name is Vivekanand Vadodkar. On behalf of Surit Foundation, I'll be sharing my feelings and gratitude towards Sushmita Masi. Honestly, even few days are not sufficient to cover what she did for us. Personally, I had known her for like more than 2 decades. Extremely hardworking, very sincere, extremely strict, yet very soft at heart. Helping others was second nature to her. This was a common trait between Masi and her husband, Dr. Surit Tembe, who was her inspiration as well. Surit Foundation came into picture till in 2012, but till then, Masi was doing her bit at a personal level and with the help of her family. However, to expand the horizon and bring in some sort of a discipline, they decided to form an NGO. So Surit Foundation came into picture formally in 2012. Education, health, and infrastructure were the three primary objectives. With that, we started our journey with at a village called Vikramgarh, which is almost 100 kilometers north of Mumbai. It is surrounded by Warli tribals. We identified one school with hardly 35 students and started our journey. Within 2 to 3 years, one school became 10, 35 students became 700. We added another 600 girls from two ashram shalas, regular medical camps, introduction of nutritious meal, educational support, infrastructure support to the village as well as school became the regular feature. Within no time, Surit Foundation became a sort of a brand in Vikramgarh area. Masi used to visit very regularly from Ahmedabad to attend the camps and contributed in whichever way it was possible. However, she had one regret that she was not there all the time. She wanted to be in the battlefield, so she was actually started waiting for her retirement. And after 7 to 8 years, roughly like around 2019 and 20, we realized that most of the activities were streamlined related to health, education, or infrastructure. So we decided to take it to the next level. So our common dream was to create an ashram shala for more than 1,000 kids to take care of their education, primary healthcare center for the entire Vikramgarh area, and vocational training center to make the youth employable. Masi wanted to be part of it right from the beginning. After her movement to Mumbai, we decided to have healthcare as the starting point. So we identified Kaspada as one of the areas wherein in a radius of 12 kilometers there was hardly any medical facility. Villagers magnanimously allowed their community center to be used as a clinic. Within no time, we converted the same to a full-fledged working clinic. Masi started her work and the response was amazing. She did not stop here. She felt that even other villages needed her service. So she created sort of a mobile clinic. What she did, in her vehicle, she used to carry the medicine along with her assistant, used to conduct the camp and distribute the medicines to at least 10 or 12 villages. This was the time when the corona struck. Most of the villagers became jobless, except for the rice which they had grown in their own field, they had nothing. Masi could not see that. She, along with the Mumbai team, created a sort of a corona survival package. She created a kit in which we had grains, spices, potatoes, onions, tea, oil, biscuits. So that package was sufficient for a family to survive for a month. So she not only restricted herself to only medicine, but also towards the other areas. Just before she fell sick, we had started work in an area called Khandega, where she wanted to exactly replicate the model of Kaspada clinic. Unfortunately, it could not take off at that time. Now, when I take a neutral view, a lady who had spent the entire life in Gujarat, who had option of enjoying the retired life with her close ones, decides to come to Mumbai, spends some time, very little time with her family, moves to Vikramgarh, starts her clinic, understand the local language, masters it, and starts serving the local people. Okay, not only in the health area but related to food in a peak of summer. It speaks volume about her commitment. So when I want to conclude, I always think of the long association which we had, and during that, in one thing which always struck me, whenever there was a reference of Dr. Suri Tembe, she always used to say, Suri is there, he's around, he's blessing us, he's watching us, and he's encouraging us. I have exactly the same feeling about Masi. It's very difficult to believe that she is not there. I feel that she is here, she is watching us, and it's not only encouraging, she's actually pushing us to do much more. So, on behalf of Surik Foundation, all the members, we probably share the same feeling, and we want to promise to Masi and Masa that we will definitely exceed the expectations. Thanks a lot.